Hello, hello. Today I'm sharing a recipe for a strawberry tres leches. Tres leches is one of Chad's favorite desserts. He loves strawberry, like strawberry shortcake. So this is simply like it put together. So you're going to need a box of this strawberry supreme cake mix, some heavy whipping cream, a can of evaporated milk, and some sweetened condensed milk. The first thing we're going to do, I've got my oven preheating to 350, is I'm going to spray my 9x13 pan. And we're going to mix our cake mix together. Chad, you've got tools in this drawer in here. Sharp tools. This smells amazing, and it's such a pretty color pink. So I thought that would be perfect for Valentine's Day. So our strawberry supreme, we need to add 3 eggs. One, two, and 3. We're going to add 1 cup of water and a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Chad and I typically eat in for Valentine's Day. I like to either cook or we will get it to go. He'll pick it up and bring it home. And I'll typically do like the dessert or something. But we started doing that when our kids were little. We've had 4 kids under 5. They're now in their 30s. Our youngest, for twins, they're 30. And then we've got 2 older sons. My twins are identical girls. And we have 2 older sons that are 35 and 32. One's getting ready to turn 33, actually, in a couple of days. But anyway, we would not get a sitter to go out for Valentine's Day. So I just cooked at home. I would do a nice table setting and light candles and stuff, and they loved it. So that's how I started doing that. And also, it's so hard to get a table out. I just don't like fighting the crowd, people. I really don't. We're going to go ahead and put this cake mix right in the bottom. First thing we're going to do is bake this, like it says from the box directions. And this is so easy to make, and I'm telling you, you will get so many compliments on it. I've made tres leches before, never strawberry. But, oh my goodness, they are so good. And it has to sit in the refrigerator overnight. So I'm making this the night before Valentine's. And I think it's going to be great. But it just preheated. I'm going to put this in the oven. It says for 23 to 28 minutes. And then I'll show you what we'll do after that. And I'll meet you back here in a minute. Okay, we just got our cake out of the oven. And it is done. It finished in 23 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm trying to think, did we poke holes in it? It's not really a poke cake. I think we did poke some holes in it. I'm not going to poke a ton in it because I don't want it to fall apart. But I think you do poke some in it. I'm not sure, but it's not a poke cake. So I may be wrong on this part, but it's okay if you do or you don't. I think it'll still work out fine. Okay. Now, we're going to take a bowl and mix As a matter of fact, I'm going to take this bowl that we used for mixing our cake mix in because I think it'll be fine. And we're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Well, I think that part right there is dented so it wouldn't come out clean. But it'll still work. So you use 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Tres leches. Leches means milk. And tres means, is it 3 or 4? Trey. I think it means 3. 3. So we're using sweetened condensed milk. Then we're using a can of evaporated milk. It's 2 of them. You want to use the whole can. And then you use 1 cup of milk. And I'm out of milk, so I'm just going to use a little bit of half and half. I'm going to use about half of this. And now I'm going to take my whisk and whisk it up. And we're going to move our pan back over here and pour this right on top of it. And you want it to all sink in. And this gets heavy too because it's got all that liquid in it. Now I'm going to put the lid on it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then tomorrow I'll show you how we're going to finish this off, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever eaten a tres leche and what's your favorite kind. All right, I'll see you tomorrow and we'll finish it up. Okay, everyone, it's the next day, and I'm going to finish up our strawberry tres leches for Chad's Valentine dessert. He and I are eating at home tonight. I babysat all day, and I had both granddaughters, and they were both not really feeling the best. They've got like cold symptoms. I'm wore out, so Chad went to pick us up some barbecue to bring home to eat. I'm going to show you our table setting that I fixed for us for eat. We usually, typically, I cook or we get takeout for Valentine's Day because it's just not as crowded out. I mean, it's more crowded, so we like to eat at home and enjoy ourselves, and we can rest that way. But I'm going to use a pint of heavy whipping cream, and you want it really cold. You can actually put your bowl and beaters in the freezer before you fix it if you want to. It makes it go a little bit quicker. And I'm not going to do that, but you can. And this comes together so quick. And then for my sweetener, I'm going to use a tablespoon of monk fruit. Typically, you would use granulated sugar here or powdered sugar, but I'm trying to, obviously I used sweetened condensed milk and all that in my cake, but still we'll make shortcuts where we can. We'll make shortcakes when we can. Heck yeah, we will. Okay, let's get this started here. Maybe. Yep, thick enough. All right, so there's what our whipped topping looks like after we beat it. And here's our tres leche that we had soaked in the refrigerator overnight. It's got sweetened condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, and a cup of half and half. So yeah, we're going to use monk fruit for a sweetener, even though we put 1,000 calories in this dessert. But that's okay because it's Chad's Valentine's dessert. All right. And like I said, I don't even have sugar in my house anyway, so it don't matter. I'm going to just dump this right on top of there, and we're going to spread it out. Nothing fancy, but I'm telling you guys, you will freak out when you make this. If you have tried tres leches, let me know. I love tiramisu, and tres leches is my second favorite dessert. I'm telling you, it's so good. And it's a Mexican dish, and it's delicious. It tastes light, but it's so stinking good. It's just like the tiramisu. It's a light flavored, but it's full of, it's light and it doesn't feel heavy when you're eating it, but it's so good. So good. Okay. Now, there we go. And you can do that. If you want to use an offset spatula, you can. If you want to use a piping bag, you can. It's really just what you want to do and how you want to do it. I thought about using an offset spatula, but I honestly don't know. Here. I don't think it's going to make any difference, to be honest with you. Make it a little bit more smoother is all. More smooth, rather. But I think it's fine, just like it is. All right. And that heavy whipping cream is just so amazing. I highly suggest making your own whipped topping. And then we're going to top it with these beautiful strawberries I got from our local produce stand. I'm just going to take, as my granddaughter says, the grass. She said, I don't want the grass. I'm going to take and slice them in half and put them right on the top. And this is going to be so good, so delicious, so decadent, and so just really, I think it's really nice for Valentine's Day. I think it's the perfect dessert. I really do. Looks so nice. Presentation is a lot, I think, when it comes to food. We do eat with our eyes first. And I love food. I love nice food. I love elegant food. I love country food. I could eat it all. And I enjoy it. That's why I'm on a healthy fitness journey, which I'm doing well. I've lost 41 pounds, walking 5 miles a day, but I really am doing excellent with my arthritis. The biggest thing is I'm having those cramps in my calf muscles, and my ankles are hurting a little bit. And I looked it up, and it said if you're exercising too much, it will cause that. Also, arthritis and autoimmune disease, and I do have autoimmune too. Arthritis is autoimmune. And fibromyalgia. Isn't that beautiful? I think it's gorgeous. Let's get this off. So it looks really pretty. There we go. All right. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below. What do you do for Valentine's Day? And do you cook at home or do you go out? And what's your favorite dessert? Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you like this type of content, just hit that like button. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching. God bless. Talk to you soon. Bye. Everyone, Chad absolutely loved this strawberry tres leches. So let me know in the comments below if you do make it.